Don't leave me.
Holy crap.
What if I told you the thing that's cleaning your car might actually be slowly destroying it? Kind of like this bleach stain on my t-shirt. Bleach cleans, but it could also damage the surface if you let it sit for too long. Now just imagine these harsh chemicals when they're sitting on your car. Don't believe me? Let's change and find out why this happens. Hold on one second. Ah, there we go. In front of me, we've set up the official Autowash non-corrosive soap experiment. It's pretty straightforward. On my left, we have corrosive chemicals from your typical car wash. And on my right, we have a sample of the soap we use right here at Autowash. So let's get our expert to help explain this experiment a little bit better.
Your car is made mostly of metal, especially the undercarriage. Parts like this exhaust tip right here that we cut 2 pieces off of. We're gonna put them in the chemicals and show you how fast corrosion happens on your car. What do you think is gonna happen when we take this piece of exhaust pipe and drop it in the chemicals? No, it's not like that. It is a corrosive process, but it's much more gradual and it happens over time. So you can notice the instant this chemical comes into contact with that raw metal, it's reacting, and that's corrosion. It's actually physically eating away at the structure of the metal. So now picture that's the frame of your car, your brakes, anything that's made of raw metal. Now that we've seen that, let's see what it looks like when we drop the exact same material into a non-corrosive. You'll notice there's no reaction, so it's not actually affecting the metal.
I do have one question. Are we in danger?
I am the danger.
I'm gonna slide these together and let those continue to react with the metal.
Wait, I thought all soaps were the same.
No, they're not all the same, and it's not even close. Picture a tunnel wash like the one behind me. Tons of cars going through as quickly as possible. And what's the quickest way to clean the surface of these dirt-crusted cars? That would be to burn it off, literally. The soap can be so aggressive that it doesn't just clean, it melts the grime and everything beneath it.
In chemistry, we measure the aggressiveness of chemicals on the pH scale. Anything lower than a 2 or higher than a 12 is a corrosive, incredibly dangerous, bad for anything metal, your skin, your car, everything. At Autowash, we aren't playing in those areas because we don't use corrosives.
Every time you take your car through one of those washes, you slowly degrade the materials protecting your car. And before long, your paint will begin to look like this. Your plastic trim like this. And your rubber seals like this.
Here in Colorado, we are no strangers to rock chips. And when those get down to the bare metal and that corrosive soap gets in contact, the damage actually starts to go under the paint. And that's damage you can't wipe away.
What about therapy? Will that fix the sad damaged car?
Sadly, no. And that's why we have spent years custom formulating our own soaps that are non-corrosive. So they're tough on dirt and gentle on everything else. So gentle, in fact, you could probably drink it.
No way. Oh, wow. That's delicious.
The liquid shown in this segment is a sports beverage, not car wash soap. Autowash products are designed for vehicle use only and are not safe for human consumption. Do not attempt to replicate this demonstration. Always use Autowash products as directed.
Oh, hey Otto. Thanks for keeping an eye on that. Those are dangerous corrosives. That could have been bad for you.
Tell me about it.
So now that these have been sitting here for a while, we can actually pull the samples out and see what the different chemistry did to the parts.
Wow, it almost looks like it's burnt.
Yeah, and that's why we call it burning the dirt off. That's what a lot of car washes will rely on, is they want the aggressive chemistry to attack the dirt. Unfortunately, it's attacking the dirt. It's also attacking the surfaces of your car. Now, if we go over to the Autowash side,
Looks the same as when it went in.
yep, it hasn't eaten away at the metal. The edges are all still there, and that's because Autowash chemistry isn't just an aggressive soap to burn the dirt off. It relies on high pressure, filtered, heated water in combination with the soap to give the clean without the damage.
So there you have it. We literally watched soap destroy metal right in front of us. The chemistry doesn't lie. Corrosive soaps don't just clean your car, they age it. And that's why at Autowash, we obsess over the stuff that most people never think about, because clean should never come at the cost of your car. Oh yeah, hit subscribe, follow us for more fun car care stuff, and if anybody tells you that all car washes are the same, show them the beaker. Autowash, because you love your car. Ugh, shouldn't have drank that soap.